I meet a lot of people at the garden center at Earthworks, and I have a lot of people who are interested in bonsai. And there are a lot of misconceptions about bonsai, mainly because I think most people's idea of bonsai comes from the Karate Kid, or that kind of idea of what a tree in a pot should look like. So bonsai, literally translated, is tree in a pot from the Japanese. And so technically any tree that's in a pot is a bonsai. Now, with that said, there's a lot of art, there's a lot of horticulture, styling, training, patience, care that goes into growing these plants in containers. So growing plants in containers present some very distinct issues that you have to think about. It's not like growing a plant in the ground. So there are a lot of considerations that are different when you are growing plants in a pot. So the first thing people ask me a lot of times is, what kind of tools do I need to practice bonsai? And really, to get started, you don't need anything other than a good pot, some potting soil, and a tree. And that's where you start. Because the process is really in the journey of the relationship between the individual and the tree is where it's really all about. And a lot of times people come into the garden center, they just want the finished product.
So if you wanted to go ahead and browse for a ready-to-go Christmas gift, we've got some beautiful bonsais here on our table inside the garden center. Come and see us. We're here from 9 to 5 every day except Sundays. We're here from 10 to 5.